of the time that they're just level on aggregate.
And he's in. Wants it back. He wants it back. He lifts it up. Oh, the coup de grace. Goal, Argentina. Lionel Messi. How do you describe magic? How do you describe this?
Iniesta. Onto him now is Messi. Brilliantly done. Oh, it's glorious. Another one for the picture scrapbook.
And here he is again. Here he is again. That's astonishing.